Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have your project open and a runnable configuration. Now start the process. First, set breakpoints on the lines you want to inspect. Once done, choose the proper run configuration and click the Debug, green bug, button to launch Pycharm's debugger. The debugger will pause at the first breakpoint so you can inspect state. This saves time compared to print debugging. Make sure your interpreter is correct, and tests or scripts run with the same environment to avoid hidden differences. Once paused at a breakpoint, you step over to move past function calls quickly, step into to dive into a function, and step out to finish it. Meanwhile, watch the variables pane to see live values and the frames pane to navigate the call stack. You can add expressions to watches or use the evaluate expression dialog to run snippets. This helps confirm assumptions without changing source code. Also, change variables on the fly to test fixes and observe program behavior immediately. When you've finished inspecting, resume execution or stop and rerun the session with adjusted breakpoints to verify fixes. Use exception breakpoints to automatically pause where errors are raised, which is invaluable for elusive bugs. After changes, rerun tests or the script and compare console output and logs to ensure the issue is resolved. If things go wrong, check the interpreter, virtual environment paths, and ensure source matches deployed files. Mismatch is a common cause of confusing debugger behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.